So what we are going to do is we have a CSV file of 10,000 rows. Okay, so let's see, we have CSV file of almost 10,000, and what we are going to do is the user will be uploading the CSV file to Amazon S3 bucket. When the user uploads it to S3 bucket, a Lambda function will be triggered. This Lambda function will be sending the S3 bucket's CSV file, or the CSV file that we stored in S3 bucket, into the SQS in batches. Okay, so from these batches of SQS, let's say this Lambda function got triggered, and some batch of CSV file rows got into the SQS, and then this SQS to Postgres Lambda function would be getting triggered, and this would be storing all the rows from this SQS to this RDS Postgres SQL. So to check this functionality again, so this is our bucket, this is our Lambda function. It will be triggered when S3 file gets uploaded. We have said that when S3 put will be triggered, this would trigger this CSV Lambda function. So we have written the code for this. Then when the SQS will be getting triggered, that would trigger this Lambda function. So this Lambda function will be pushing our data, CSV data, to the database that we created on the RDS Amazon. I have not provided the Amazon as destination, Amazon RDS, since I have already provided those credentials as env. Currently we are having no data in our S3 bucket. I have created a function, or you can say a get URL, with the help of this drive link. What happens here, we have set the drive URL of this CSV file. When we call the get function, get API, to this endpoint, it will be pushing this file inside this drive to this S3, and then this CSV parser Lambda and SQS function will be triggered. So let's see, and currently we can see our users table is empty, 0 rows are there. Okay, so let's check. I'm sending the get request to here. It is actually when I was previously testing this application. So let's refresh it. That means we are sending a get request to this. A CSV file of this got uploaded. Let's check, refresh. Yeah, 8VE ending with A66, 8VE ending with A66. So this would be calling this Lambda function. Let's monitor it. Maybe it's taking some time, and meanwhile let's check here as well. And also our database was empty. Let's check whether we got any data here or not. See, we got the data of 10,000 rows. Let's check, this should be triggered, so we can check those data here in the monitor. This was happening when I was testing the first time, but for now there should not be any issue. And here in monitor case, I guess it is getting delayed to fetch the response. So as we can see, we got all our data here in our users table and see we can got the triggers here as well as here, of course. uh, there is an error in making start query. Okay, we'll check that later, but for now we got all the data into our database.